It's minus 21 out, and I thought there'd be nothing nicer than a piping hot bowl of minestrone soup. So let's make some of that up. I'm going to start things off here by adding, I'd say a tablespoon or two of oil to my pot over medium-high heat. We'll add in a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of garlic, followed by 2 chopped carrots, then a couple of stalks of chopped celery. And we'll stir and saute these until that wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air and the veggies begin to tenderize. And of course, this is my choice of veggies, but minestrone means, vegetable soup with rice or pasta, so you can add the veggies of your choice. After that, 4 cups of beef stock, and you can use vegetable stock too. It's entirely up to you. Add in a couple of bay leaves, and we'll just go ahead and bring this to a boil. Alright, so I've got a nice boil happening here. I'm going to add in 400 milliliters or 14 ounces of crushed tomatoes, and I'll do all the conversions in the blog. And about the same amount of red dried kidney beans, and these amounts are all approximate. It is soup, so about a cup of shell noodles. Now you can use macaroni noodles or the noodles of your choice. Add as much as you like. I mean, as pasta-y as if you want it, if that's a word. And one other thing I had that was left over from the holidays is some asparagus. So I'm just going to chop this up and throw it in. Now you can use green beans as well. I just had asparagus left, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. And of course we'll season this up with some salt, ground black pepper, that I love so much, some basil, and of course, the thing I use all the time, about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Give this a stir up. Oh, my goodness, my friends, this smells so good already. That's what I love about soup. When it comes together, that incredible smell. Here I go, smell-o-vision again. And we'll slip a lid on this and let it simmer away for about 10 minutes, just until the noodles become tender, and then I gotta eat. I can't stand this, smelling this anymore. I'm hungry. After about 10 minutes, we are done boiling. My goodness, guys, this smells so good. Wow. And just look at this. Aren't those colors vibrant? Now, you can't tell me that this isn't going to be good. Spectacular. Wow. Okay, let's ladle this into a bowl. And there you have it, guys, our quick and easy January minestrone soup. It doesn't get much better. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is comfort food at its best. So good on a cold day. I love the seasoning, the veggies, everything in the soup. It is just fantastic. You got to make this, guys. So good. As always, for everything on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Cool site, all kinds of great stuff over there. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. And if you like what you saw, hit that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy 2022. Stay safe, and see you next time.